Digital flyers are one of the fastest ways to promote your business online and attract attention instantly. Let's start by opening Canva and clicking on Create a Design. In the search bar, type flyer and browse through the available templates. Since we're creating a digital flyer, choose a modern template that looks clean, eye-catching, and easy to read on both mobile and desktop screens. Once the template opens, begin by updating the headline. This should be the main message of your flyer, such as a promotion, event announcement, product launch, or special offer. Make sure the headline is bold and easy to notice. Next,